I'm a speaker today at one of the March for Business events. It's the finance event, and I'll be talking about how lean technologies can help people save money in their businesses. I think it's important to have these sorts of events in Denbighshire. They help people network. We have businesses that are able to talk to each other. We can then do business with each other. We can then grow the local economy.
We're here today at the event to present Xenos as the concept to people who are looking for potentially investment in their businesses from business angels. Any networking event like this brings together different groups of people and try and solve the problems that are out there, the real problems that are out there for businesses. In our particular instance, how we can help a business find that key investment that they need.
I'm here today at the March for Business event to find out more about finance. It's going to help me massively because I've gone from my kitchen table to exporting to Sweden. I'm here to find out about funding, particularly to buy machinery for my products so I can continue to grow at the speed that we've already started at. Businesses will find this massively helpful. I've been in the room 5 minutes and I've just met somebody from a Business Angels network, Barclays banker here. We've still got half an hour before the event starts, but I've already made some really useful, helpful contacts.
In the future, obviously I want my business to grow, so I'm going to need an investment. So events like this are quite good because there's obviously different people from different finance industries. It's been great for networking and meeting people within the same industry as me and who are needing the same kind of help.